Hello and welcome. My name is Jose Gabriel. So, in this video, we're going to be talking a little bit about should I hire an attorney? This is a question that comes up quite a bit from buyers and sellers, and the answer is maybe. It's can't hurt, absolutely, and there's a lot of advantages. Obviously, there's an additional cost associated with this. So, let's jump into this topic. Now, first of all, I do like to mention that I am not providing any type of legal or financial advice. These videos are being provided just for educational purposes. So if you need assistance with anything legal or financial, please by all means find a professional that's licensed in those areas to help you out. Now, when people ask me, do I need to hire an attorney? The first thing I tell them is that in Florida, there is no requirement, legal requirement. You have to use a real estate attorney. I've done plenty of transactions where there's no attorney involved in the transaction. There are some states that is required, like New York. The real estate agent is not allowed to fill in or touch the contract. But Florida does allow the real estate agent to complete the contract. It's a pre-approved form by the Florida Supreme Court, and so you can do it without having a real estate attorney involved. Now, there's advantages, obviously, to having an attorney represent you because now they're looking after your interest with the legal, training and background for that. But of course, there's going to be additional cost associated with the transaction. They're not going to work for free. So what I tell buyers and sellers, listen, if that makes you feel more comfortable, absolutely, you should run out and hire an attorney to represent you on that transaction. Now, I also tell them, though, you should make sure that you get on an attorney that is focused in real estate. An agent should never tell you not to use an attorney. If you ever have a real estate agent says, don't worry about that, everything's going to be fine, they don't have the legal background to be able to say that. So I would not walk away. I would run away from that real estate agent, all right? No one should ever discourage you from hiring an attorney. Now, I will also recommend that you select representation before signing the contract, because if you sign the contract, you as a buyer or seller, you sign the contract and then you go to the attorney and say, hey, I want you to represent me. Well, it's good to have them review the contract. Obviously, they have the training for that, but it's better if you have them read it ahead of time so that they can give you a heads up if they have any issues with the contracts that we're currently using. Now, we use the standard, or my office does, as most offices do, the standard FAR as is sales contract. All right, and as I mentioned, you may want to focus on one that just does real estate, an attorney, because there are some that do like immigration, they do divorces, they do traffic tickets, and they also happen to do real estate. Like anything in life, if you're focused in one area, you're probably going to add a little bit more value in that area. So I would focus on that. And there are organizations, you can see it on the screen here, where you can go there and find a real estate attorney in the area where you live. Thank you very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And again, if you guys have any suggestions for me on future topics, please by all means let me know, and we'll go ahead and do a video for them. Thanks again, and stay safe.